Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up flags in your Gmail inbox in just a few minutes. Flags or stars are a great way to mark important emails so you can easily keep track of the messages that need your attention. Let's dive in. First, open your Gmail account and make sure you're on the main inbox page. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open your settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. This will take you to a page with multiple tabs, but you'll automatically be on the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. Scroll down until you find the Stars subsection. Stars allow you to flag specific emails in your inbox, giving you a visual cue for importance or follow-up. You'll see some stars already listed under In Use, while others are under Not in Use. To customize, simply drag the stars you want from Not in Use into In Use. This lets you choose colors and styles that suit your workflow. Once you've arranged your stars, scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures your new configuration is applied. Now return to your inbox and let's test it out. Find an email you want to flag. Next to each email, you'll notice a small star icon. Click it once to mark the email as important. The flagged email will also appear in your starred folder, making it easy to access later. To change the type of star for a specific email, click the star multiple times. Each click cycles through the different stars and flags you set up, giving you full control over how emails are visually prioritized. And there you have it. By setting up customized flags and stars, you can keep your Gmail inbox organized and make sure important emails are always easy to find. This simple tool can significantly improve your productivity and help you manage your emails more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.